Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back for another video, friends. Today's video is a what sold on eBay for $30 plus. So I've got my computer. I'm just going to go through some of my good sales with you, things that sold for at least $30. And here's how the video is going to go. I'm going to talk a little bit about each item. I'll pop a picture up, and if I remember where I got it and how much I spent on it, I'll make sure to give you all that information so that you can learn as much as you can from this video about brands and styles that are going to sell for you on eBay. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years, mostly women's fashion, clothes, shoes, jewelry, all that kind of stuff. I also sell on Poshmark, and I'll make a separate video of the items that have recently sold on Poshmark. What you need to know is that these are what the things sold for. The prices I'm going to give you is what it sold for, but you know there's fees and cost of goods on eBay. The fees are about 12% because I'm on managed payments. If you're still on PayPal on eBay, they still take 10%, plus PayPal takes 3% and 29 cents a transaction. So keep that in mind when I'm giving you these sales. Let's dive right in. This first sale I'll pop up here is a Coach bag. This sold for $60 plus they paid $8 shipping. I got a lot of Coach bags. Check out my video. It looks like this. I bought a lot of, I can't even remember, it was $500 and it was something like 30 Coach bags. You'll have to check out the video, but those have been slowly selling. It seems like I sell a couple of them a month, and I paid, it came out to be $18 a bag, so $18 turned into $60 plus shipping, a pretty good flip right there. This next one is one I definitely want to talk a little bit about. These are pants. The brand is OSKA, O-S-K-A, and they sold for $50 plus $8 shipping. You guys know, if you've watched any of my other videos, that I talk a lot about Lagenlook. Lagenlook is a certain style of women's fashion. Lagenlook means layering. And if you think of like how a cool art teacher would dress, or somebody creative, artsy, or maybe really bohemian like me here in California, it's a lot of layering pieces. And so I'm always looking to find items that I can use the keyword Lagenlook for. So I'm looking for boxy tops, gathered skirts, longer tunics, and I've sold this brand before and it always sells really well. So really good brand, made in Germany, 50 bucks. I paid $6 for those at the Goodwill. Okay, moving right along. I want to hear from you guys about if you like these what sold videos. I did some earlier back in the day on my channel, and then I just got super into like unboxings and thrift hauls, which are a lot more fun for me to make as a creator. But I think the what solds are important so that you can see how did the stuff that I'm sharing with you actually sell. But let me know please in the comments, do you want to see more what sold videos? Okay, speaking of Lagenlook, the next thing that I sold was this cut loose women's top. Do you guys ever find this brand? They're out, the stuff is designed in San Francisco, and since I'm here in Northern California, I find it periodically, and it usually sells really well. This was a boxy top, size XL, so that was helpful. It was gray, it had a raw hem, and it sold for 35 bucks plus shipping. So their total order was $37.99 for a pre-owned shirt. I don't remember exactly what I paid for this one or where I got it, but pretty good flipperoo there. I just want to add in this note, friends. I'm filming this mid-January, so I don't know my January numbers yet. The month's not over, but I did look at my December numbers, and as a part-time reseller, I made $829 in sales in December on Poshmark, and on eBay, I made $1,355. So eBay has always brought in a lot more for me, but for me, the $829 is actually an increase on Posh, because Posh has always kind of been like my side hustle to my reselling gig. eBay's been my main thing, and Poshmark has been a little bit more of a side hustle, but I'm really planning on changing that in 2021. My sales are definitely up. For me, it's like, don't get caught in the compare game. You never know what someone else's business looks like. For me personally, I'm really happy with these numbers as a part-timer, putting in anywhere from like 15 to 25 hours a week. It really varies for me. All right, I'm gonna put these ones in because it's $29.99. It's a penny. You guys can deal, right? I have lipstick on my teeth. this, I knew these were going to sell pretty quick. I picked these up for $6 at the Goodwill. The brand is Babaton, and Babaton is sold at ARITZIA, I learned, probably from one of my fantastic viewers. And these sold for $29.99 plus shipping. So her total was $36.36 with tax and shipping. On eBay for a lightweight item, my current policy is I charge $2.99 for shipping. If it's under a pound, if it's over a pound, I charge $8 shipping, flat rate. That's what I do. For so many years, I did free shipping, but in 2019, I started charging just a little bit for shipping in case I get a return on eBay, then and it's for like does not fit or just wasn't into it. I don't have to eat all the return shipping cost. I have a video on that. I have a whole series of videos for eBay beginners. eBay returns, eBay negative feedback, how to list on eBay. I've got a whole playlist, so check it out if you're interested. If you're interested. Check it out if you're interesting. I mean, if you're interested. A few $30 sales coming right up, so let's do this. For $34.99, I sold this pink Victoria's Secret women's top. It was a size small. I bought this from Jomar, so I have an unboxing video up on the channel. It was a Victoria's Secret pink box, and it was all pre-owned, and I've been selling that stuff. It's normally, like, this was a pretty good sale, $34.99, because this one had a lot of bling. So Victoria's Secret stuff, here's a tip, the more blingy with sequins and spell outs, the better it's going to do. Most of that stuff's really sold for me for like 15, 18, 20 bucks, but the blingier ones like this are doing better. So $34.99, and I forget what my cost of goods was for the items in that box. If you're really interested, check out the video, but I think it was only like $3 an item, so that's a good flip. Friends, I want to be sure you've taken a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you get notifications. We have an amazing reseller community here on the channel. You can meet all the other resellers and hang out with us at my live on Fridays that I do at 5 Pacific time every Friday. Such great people. And this channel is really about education, yes, on like what sold and things, but it's a lot about encouragement and support too. We want to encourage you and support you in whatever your goals are for your particular reselling business. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Okay, these next pants were new with tag, and they're the brand Bar 3. It's actually says the word bar and then it's 3 little lines, but I still listed it as bar with the numeral 3. They sold for $29.99 plus shipping. I got these in a B&G trading box. So I have all sorts of unboxings on my channel. I really started going heavy on the unboxings during quarantine time because it's just not safe to go out thrifting. A lot of things have been shut down, so I've been doing a ton of boxings. This was a B&G new with tag box, and it was considered like mid-range, but Bar 3 is really expensive at places like Macy's, so keep your eye out for that one. This next sale is a pair of Free People jeans. You guys know, if you ever watch any of my videos, it's my favorite brand. I just love the romantic bohemian fashion that Free People makes. These Free People jeans sold for $39.99 plus $8 shipping. They were new with tags. They were the pull-on penny flare. So for my business right now, I'm only looking for skinny jeans and super wide flare or like mom jeans. That's what's trending right now. I bought these from ShopGoodwill.com. I have an entire video about it where I bought Free People online from the Goodwill on their website, Shop Goodwill Online, and I believe I paid, I can't remember, you guys. I want to say it was like 15 bucks, give or take. So that was a pretty good flip there. I actually sold 2 pair. I bought 2 pair and I sold 2 pair, one on Poshmark and one on eBay. I cross-post using vendoo. I have a entire video tutorial on how to use vendoo, plus I have a 25% off link in the description. In the description section of this video are links for all my favorite stuff, like the stuff I've tried in 10 years of reselling, stuff I think is a good price, a good brand. Check out the links. They're affiliate links. I get a tiny kickback. Thank you very much. These I got in a mystery box, and I can't remember which one. Okay, these are Eddie Bauer pants, women's, and they were a size 18 tall long. You guys know that I love having tall, long, any kind of like irregular size that someone might have a hard time going out and finding all the time themselves sells well for me. So look for things that are like long and tall. These Eddie Bauer pants sold for $29.99 plus $8 shipping, so their total was $37.99. Yes, these Eddie Bauer pants sold internationally through eBay's global shipping program. I love that program. It's super easy. And I noticed that people spend more. Like, they expect it to be expensive, so I tend to get like full price sales going international. I wonder if it's on my list, but I sold a Patagonia jacket for $125 plus $13 shipping to an international customer in December 2020 as well. Let's move right on down. You guys, as I'm looking, I just want you to know I have a lot of variety in sales. Like, Madewell shirt, $17. Torrid shirt had a hole in it, $13. Soft surrounding leggings, $16. Soft surroundings top, $24.99. Just letting you know, like, not all my sales are 30 plus. It's a real variety. I do a lot of quick flipping. I'm okay with that. It works for me. What do you do in your business? This is a dress that sold for $30 plus $8 shipping. This was a pure Jill dress. You guys, pure J.Jill dress. You guys know I love my mature women's brands. You know I love selling J.Jill. It sells great for me. I got this at a flea market. I have a video about it. That was one of the best hauls of 2020 for me. This flea market, I got everything for $5 because I bought so much. It was going to be $10 because it was really nice higher end stuff. I got a Robert Graham shirt. I just got some awesome Lagenlook brands, and I've sold so much of that stuff. So I paid $5, flipped it for $30. That was pretty good. Keep your eye out for J.Jill, but especially big sizes, and especially like Pure Jill or Love Linen or wherever collection, some of their specialty stuff. How many have I done so far? These pajamas sold for $50, but she's gonna return them. Bummer. So let's move right along from that one. Oh yeah, here's the Patagonia jacket. This was a men's jacket. It sat a little while for me because I bought it out of season and I listed it right away anyway. It had a ton of attention. I think I got a few lowball offers for like $50, and I was like, no way. This was a men's size small, but it was hooded. It was fleece lined, really nice. It sold for $125 plus $13 shipping to an international customer. Like I said, through the global shipping program, I paid $10 for it. It was marked $20 at a Salvation Army, and it was half off day or something. So these were $28, these Free People pants. I sold these Tory Burch flats for $50. I got these in a Thredup shoebox. You guys, look how much of this stuff that I'm telling you I got from mystery boxes. This was a Thredup box. They were $6, I believe, because it's $90 for 15 pairs of shoes. These sold really fast, like in 24 hours. Tory Burch, they're the mini travel flat, $50 plus $8 shipping. Super good flip. And it looked like comps were everywhere from like 35 to 100 on them. And I got another pair in my next Thredup shoebox. Check out those videos, the Thredup shoebox videos. The Thredup shoeboxes are hard to get. They're not on the site very often. I want another one so bad, but I haven't been able to find one. Have you guys? If you like selling shoes? Follow me on Instagram at The Grateful Queen on Instagram, because I talk a lot about this kind of stuff over there. I post pictures and talk about my love-hate relationship with shoes, where I love the profits. Shoes sell well, and often for a higher price point than clothes, but often shoes need at least a little cleanup. The soles need to be cleaned, and sometimes they'll sit around in a little shoe death pile for me because I don't feel like cleaning them. I like posting on Instagram. I clean shoes. I told you guys I would try and get these listed fast, and I'm doing it. So, okay, this next sale these sold super fast too. These sold for $33 plus $8 shipping, so her total was $42.98. These were new tag Denim and Supply. I love Denim and Supply. I got these at Backstock, so I got these super cheap. Check out, I have video unboxings from the wholesale company Backstock. They're a little different, where you buy a membership and then you can shop on there. I've got so many things. I have more boxes on the way coming from them, so keep your eye out. That was a good flip, I thought. I forget what I paid exactly. Okay, moving right along. Here's another Coach bag that I sold for $30, $30.99 plus shipping. This one I let go for $30 because it was a little tiny baguette. Like, it was a little tiny thing. This also went international through the global shipping program. Now and again, it's like I have a sale for $25. Then I sold these Gap jeans for $10 because I got them in a box, and I'm like, Gap jeans aren't super desirable. I sold this Lululemon puffer. This was awesome. An amazing score, you guys, in a women's Thredup rescue box. So those boxes are $65 for 25 items. So I think it works out to be around $4 an item. And I got a Lululemon puffer in there. I mean, what are the chances? I mean, that's amazing. I think I sold this one a little bit cheap because I sold it for $65 plus shipping, and some of them it looked like they were going for like, you know, anywhere. It's all over. There's always a range of comps. I wasn't positive if this was like the most desirable puffer style they had. Last one was a men's shirt. I got this in a Thredup rescue box men's, which are always really good because Thredup doesn't even sell men's, and people send their stuff in, they want to get rid of it, they clean out their closets or something, and it's like they don't request it back. So a lot of good stuff goes into the men's boxes. I sold this for $39.99 plus shipping. It was a size XL. And I'm not really familiar with the brand Thomas Pink, but people said it was really good. And I don't love men's business shirts. Do you? Like button-down shirts? It's just not my thing. But that was a really good sale. And again, I probably just paid a few bucks for it. I'm just going to see if there's anything else really quick that I just have to share with you that would be helpful. Let me know what you think about these brands, these styles, how you do with them. Okay, here, I sold that Diane von Furstenberg chart for 50 bucks. So I sold this tank top, one of my favorite designers, Diane von Furstenberg, who was famous for that wrap dress. This was a beautiful tank top, just rayon, really unique fuchsia color, and that sold for $49.99. So that was awesome. And this other last one I'll do is another what I call Lagenlook piece. Keep your eye out for Lagenlook stuff. I have an older video on the channel where I show you tons of pictures and talk about what is Lagenlook, so that you can start to get a feel for it. But this one sold for $29.99. I got this when I was thrifting with my mom. Grateful Babette, check out those videos. Just a really pretty top with lots of ruffles that sold for $29.99 plus shipping. So there you have it, a bunch of eBay sales that sold for $30 or more. I'd love your feedback on these what sold videos. Do you like them? Do you want more of them, or just more thrifting and unboxing and stuff like that? I'll see you in the next video, friends. Bye.